What guys, Tonio here, Poppa Home. Talk about turning credit into wealth. Walking out the title company with another big check here. Lots of dollars. But with this check here, it's not going to be a check that we're just going to use just to have it, personal. With this check here, it's pretty much that we're going to use this money here to put into a property that we're doing. Meaning it's a no money down deal here, and we was able to get this money from our private investor. Me and my partner, we was able to get this money from our private investor that came in and took care of our seller, also took care of the closing costs and all those things. So with this check here, we're going to be able to deposit it and pretty much use this money to fix up the property. And not only that, there's a thing called financing your financing, meaning that whenever you get into deals like this, you should be able to finance your finance. Meaning that by us having this property, we're going to have to hold this property for at least 4 months. So we're going to have to pay at least 4 months of payments. And that got to do with the utilities as well, water, electricity, and maybe the final month, maybe gas, whenever hopefully we try to sell this house and have to do the inspection and be able to get the gas on as well. We have the money. So not only do we borrow enough money to buy the house, we also borrow enough money to finance the house. And this is called financing your financing. And man, I'm telling you, it is great. So picking up a check like this here, and you get to go to the bank and deposit it, and you have your money. Not only that, I went to the bank yesterday and deposited another check for the insurance portion of it, where we got to do the roof. So man, hey, everything's a blessing. But to be able to create deals like this, these no money down deals, you really have to continue to know your numbers on what you're doing and how to finance things. I think with this property here, our numbers are great. Our numbers are good. Things look pretty good when it comes to the numbers. So I think we're going to be right there on the head. And technically, due to us going to replace the roof with this house, I should be able to sell the house for another $10,000 or $15,000 more than what we expected, because we got a check coming for that as well. So overall, guys, this property here, the check I just picked up, is just the money we're going to use to make us more money. So sometimes you got to use money to make more money. Very simple. If I need $5,000, then I should be able to make $15,000 and pay back the $5,000, put 10 into another project, or put in my pocket, or whatever the case may be, or use it for some other type of other investments. So this is what makes these things so great. And also, you got to have a good title company as well. And if you don't have a title company that understands these type of transactions, understand these types of sub-2 deals, flips, land contracts, bond for deeds, lease options, seller financing, whatever creative finance that you're doing, you gotta have a title company that understand those things, and we do right here in our city of Shreveport and Bossier. We have a title company that understand that, and guess what? And you guys can pretty much do the same. So we're not out here doing something that we invented. We out here just pretty much to carry on the legacy of just real estate, and you guys can do it as well. But just make sure when you're buying houses, you know how you're going to take down those houses, what rehab is going to cost, how the holding cost is going to work, and how much your finances is going to cost. And then that's your profit. And you got to have all those things added into that investment package. Because when I'm dealing with other investors, I put together an investment package. You got to have all those things included into that investment package, so that you know what you're going to have at the end. If you miss any one of those items, if you miss the holding cost, if you miss the financing part of it, if you miss the rehab cost of it, you're gonna lose. And in this occasion here, I pretty much don't cover all three. Now it's all about, let's try to get the work done and see can we get the number that we are looking for. So, but regardless of what, it feels good when you walk out of the title company with a check in your hand, you go deposit in the bank, and continue your dreams of investing. So guys, do me a favor, give me some thumbs up, give me some likes, give me some shares, and give me a few comments as well. And if you're able to comment any type of comment that you have, I'm willing to answer any questions you have on real estate. I'm here for you guys, not here to try to charge you guys an arm and a leg when it comes to real estate information, because I know the internet is a big place and you can be like a chicken with your head cut off looking for information. So at the end of the day, if you want answers, come here, like, subscribe, do all those things to follow me, follow this journey on real estate so you can learn how to be successful in real estate as well. Let's go flip a house. I'm out of here. Hey, if you want to be able to get up to a $10,000 check by using my free manual, show you how to get an assignment fee just by going out there, finding properties and bringing them over to us and allow us to buy them, I will tell you exactly where to go do it. So right here in the description over any video of mine, click on more and click on the link right there. Now you have your own copy of this book. How amazing is that? Get your free copy today.